think there's just a lot of opportunity out there, and you want to side with a organization that has, you know, proven methods. Um, you know, I wouldn't call myself successful yet, but I mean, just with the amount of time that I've been with the organization and the amount of deals I've closed, I'm like I'm ecstatic, and I'm super excited just to like do it the next day. So yeah, I think the key thing is like key thing to remember is there's a ton of opportunities out there, but you want to be efficient about it and choose the right group to join. The big advantage with Ion is it's kind of structured for you. When I was trying to do sales on my own before, I really didn't know what I was doing. But here, you're kind of like not necessarily given a script, but you have the steps and the framework. So with the first couple deals, all I did was just follow the formula, mind emails on Facebook. Um, one of them called me directly, and then one of them I had to reach out to, and yeah, we just conversated on their property. You know, I kind of I would say pre-qualify in air quotes, because I still didn't know the product too much. I always had the product board in my face, but you know, it was a really casual chat. Once I thought, okay, this might be legitimate, this person might move forward, then I bring in my team leader, at least for the first few ones, because I really wanted to hear how they would conversate with the applicant, and that was really insightful also, because they got to ask the key questions. They they did their sales pitch as well. And yeah, I mean, as soon as the call was over, I sent my applicant link over, and they filled it out, and the account executive looked at it and then said, yeah, this looks good, and then they just pushed it through. I've tried it in the past, and I just don't have that knowledge, that background, and the formula really gave me, I think, the confidence to even try it. I don't think I would have even initiated those calls, those touches, if I didn't have a clue what I was doing, which I sometimes I feel like I don't. But you know, with the framework there, I mean, you just have to pull up the product board and pretty much just follow it and just keep chugging along.